Making a successful YouTube channel starts with making a YouTube channel. Here's how to build your account. Step 1. Create a Google account. If you use Gmail, Google Maps, or Google Play, you probably already have a Google account, so skip ahead to the next step. Step 2. Create a YouTube account. With your Google account, you're automatically set up with a personal YouTube account. But to use YouTube for your business, you'll want to set up a brand account. Just go to your YouTube account page, click Create a Channel, and then enter a name for your brand account. You're in! When you create a YouTube brand account, you can give multiple people admin access and customize the name and appearance to match your brand. Step 3. Customize your YouTube channel. Step 4. Upload your first YouTube video. Well, this is exciting. You're on the cusp of becoming a YouTube content creator. I'm not crying, you're crying. To put your first video out into the world, hit the Create button in the top right corner and follow the instructions. Step 5. Make your YouTube channel discoverable. Like the old saying goes, if you have amazing content on YouTube but nobody sees it, what's the point? To get views and subscribers, you'll want to optimize your channel and videos for discovery. Use concise, descriptive titles that include Google-friendly keywords. Titles are the first thing users see, but they also help the search engine understand what your videos are about. So make sure all your titles are punchy and intriguing, but also clear and include keywords. Thanks for watching and subscribe.